Hey there, pocket knife fans. Quick video for you today. This is another one that my girlfriend got for me. It was actually either hers or her father's. Well, he passed away, so she gave it to me. It's a pen. As you can see, it's a pen. And it's a working pen, too. Got a little point there. But it's also a knife. It's a pen knife, like a literal pen knife. And the blade is quite, I don't think it's going to focus properly, but the blade is quite sharp. Pretty simple, no other features. As I mentioned, it does have a point, so you can write with it. I may need new ink. Oh no, it still writes. How about that? So, not this one, but that one is the mark I just made. In fact, I'll show you right now. There's another one. So, really cool, actual pen knife. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay safe out there.